For instance, you are given a PDF document that is like a map, and you want to use it, it's kind of giving you some attitude on all of that. Now, today we're going to learn how to convert a PDF to TIF in ArcGIS desktop. So, once you launch your ArcGIS like this, you go to a search tool and you search from PDF, or you go to your catalog and then you go to tools, you go to system tools, then you go to conversion, and from conversion you go to from PDF, then you have PDF to TIF. So you double click on it. So the input PDF is what we need, so just click on it, and then we have a geopolitical map of Taraba State, so we open it. And if you want to put a password to, if the PDF have a password, you can put the password, but the PDF doesn't have a password. Now we have PDF maps here. We have an option. This largest means it's going to carry everything. If you say layers, it's just focus on just the elements of the maps. And though I've not tried this new data frame, or maybe we'll try it on this video. Let's try with the data frame, and then this extension, either JPEG or any of the LZW will work, and we just click on OK. So while this is processing, let's do that for the other one. So the same tool, then we'll bring in the PDF, which is this. This time around, we're going to leave it at the largest. That is, this is where the whole pot of contention. We're leaving this at the largest, and we'll leave everything the way it is, and we'll click on OK. So we're going to wait for the two of them to be converted. So once they are converted, we'll look at the result. So we have the two of them. They have all been done. So let's look at this. Okay. Basically, all of them produce the same result. So you can see that we have our coordinates that we can use for georeferencing, and every other thing is right there. So if we check this one, let's see if there's any similarities. Yeah, they are the same. So basically, that's how, ladies and gentlemen, you can convert PDF to a TIF file. So we could use this to, can you reference this, then use it to create any map or anything. You have all the data we have are all in it. Everything is showing. So we could use this to create our maps. All right. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.